In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order prints in Canva. If you've ever designed something like business cards, flyers, posters, menus, or brochures in Canva, and then felt stuck when it came time to print them, this process is going to make things much easier. Instead of downloading files and dealing with outside print services, Canva lets you order prints directly from your design workspace, which helps keep everything simple and organized. To begin, open Canva and go to the design you want to print. From your homepage, look through your recent projects and open the specific file you want to use. This could be a business card, a poster, a brochure, or any other print-ready design. Once it opens, make sure you're looking at the active editing canvas so you can review everything clearly before moving forward. Next, go to the top right area of the Canva editor and click on Print with Canva. This is the option that opens Canva's built-in print ordering tools. It's usually placed near the sharing options, and this is where you'll begin setting up the product for physical printing. After that, a panel will appear with your print configuration options. Here, you'll choose the settings for the final printed product. Select the size you want. Choose whether the design should be single-sided or double-sided if that option applies, and then pick your paper stock. Canva may offer choices like standard, deluxe, or eco depending on the product. You can also choose the finish, such as matte, gloss, or uncoated. These settings affect both the look and feel of the final print, so take a moment to pick the option that best matches your design goals. Once your print settings are in place, scroll through the panel and look for fix printing issues or view print safe zone options. Turning this on helps Canva check your design for common print problems. You may see dashed guideline borders appear around the canvas. These are there to show whether important text, logos, or images are too close to the edge and could get cut off during printing. Then, review your design carefully by clicking Review Pages. Go through each page one by one and confirm that the text, images, spacing, and overall layout look correct. This is your final proofing stage, so it's worth slowing down here. If Canva asks you to confirm that the design is ready, check the approval box once you're satisfied. When everything looks good, click Continue. You'll be taken to the shipping and checkout section, where you can enter your delivery details, choose your shipping speed, add your payment information, and place the order. That's it. Once the order is submitted, Canva handles the printing and delivery process for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.